Aries, 22nd October 2024. Love, you may feel more adventurous in your love life. Plan a fun, spontaneous date with your partner, or if you are single, explore new social circles. Today is all about excitement and discovery. Career, collaboration will be essential today. Working with others will not only lighten your workload, but also lead to more creative ideas. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Overall well-being, make sure to prioritize self-care. A short break in nature or a quiet moment of mindfulness will do wonders for your mental clarity. Advice: step outside of your comfort zone in both love and work. You'll find that new experiences bring growth and excitement. Taurus, 22nd October 2024. Love, today is all about compromise in relationships. Whether you are in a partnership or dating, being flexible and understanding will bring harmony. Small gestures of appreciation will go a long way. Career, a collaborative opportunity may arise at work, giving you a chance to shine in a team setting. Embrace this chance to show off your ability to work well with others. Overall well-being, your health will benefit from a focus on balance. Incorporate more nutritious foods and make time for light exercise to maintain your physical and mental energy. Advice: flexibility is your friend today. Whether in relationships or work, being adaptable will help you find success and harmony. Gemini, 22nd October 2024. Love, flirting and lightheartedness will come naturally today, making it a perfect day for socializing or romantic encounters. If you are in a relationship, inject some fun and spontaneity into your routine. Plan something adventurous with your partner. Singles may have an exciting chance meeting with someone new. Career, today is a great day for brainstorming and coming up with creative solutions at work. Your ideas will flow effortlessly, so don't hold back, share them with your team. Overall well-being, your social energy is high, but make sure not to overextend yourself. While you thrive in social settings, balance it with some quiet time in the evening to recharge. Advice: let your playful side shine, and don't be afraid to take a risk, whether in love or at work. Enjoy the freedom that comes with embracing spontaneity. Cancer, 22nd October 2024. Love, romance is in the air. If you are in a relationship, today is a great day to nurture your connection with affection and sweet gestures. Single Cancers may attract someone by simply being themselves. Your kindness and emotional depth are magnetic right now. Career, creativity is flowing, and you will find unique solutions to work challenges. Your intuitive nature will guide you to make smart decisions. Trust your instincts, especially if you are faced with a difficult choice. Overall well-being, emotionally, you are in a good space, and this positive energy will ripple through your day. Focus on maintaining this balance by surrounding yourself with beauty and calm environments. Advice: use your nurturing energy to bring warmth into your relationships and work life. A little kindness can go a long way today. Leo, 22nd October 2024. Love, your fiery nature might spark a little tension today. You may find yourself wanting more attention or affection from your partner. Instead of becoming frustrated, communicate your needs clearly. Singles might feel restless, but should focus on enjoying the moment rather than chasing something elusive. Career challenges may arise at work today, especially regarding teamwork. Avoid letting your pride get in the way of collaboration. Be open to feedback and use this as an opportunity to learn and grow. Overall well-being, emotionally, you may feel slightly off balance, especially if you don't get the recognition you seek. Ground yourself through relaxation or physical activities like exercise to release tension. Advice: today, focus on patience and understanding, both in love and work. Be willing to compromise and don't let pride create unnecessary conflicts. Virgo, 22nd October 2024. Love, you might be feeling a bit critical today, especially in your relationships. Remember, perfection isn't everything. Embrace the flaws in yourself and others. If in a relationship, try not to let minor irritations turn into unnecessary conflicts. Career, your perfectionist tendencies are heightened today. While this can help you produce high-quality work, don't let it slow you down or cause undue stress. Prioritize tasks that truly need your attention and trust your judgment. Overall well-being, watch out for tension, headaches, or stress-related fatigue today. Don't let overthinking or striving for perfection drain your energy. Make time for relaxation. Advice: practice patience, both with yourself and others. Remember that things don't always need to be perfect to be meaningful or successful. Libra, 22nd October 2024. Love, your natural charm is in full force today, making it an ideal time to connect with your partner or potential love interests. Deep conversations will flow easily, helping you strengthen your emotional bond. Career, creative solutions come to you effortlessly today. If you've been facing a challenge at work, don't hesitate to think outside the box. Your ability to bring fresh perspectives to the table will be appreciated by others. Overall well-being, while you feel good mentally and emotionally, don't neglect physical self-care. Incorporate some light exercise to balance out your day and keep your energy levels high. Advice: tap into your creativity today, whether in love or career. Your unique ideas and charm will lead you to success in all areas of life. Scorpio, 22nd October 2024. Love, today, your love life might benefit from a little mystery. If you are in a relationship, add an element of surprise to your interactions. If you are single, enjoy the excitement of getting to know someone new slowly, allowing the intrigue to build. Career, your focus today should be on setting long-term goals. Consider where you want your career to head in the next few months, and don't shy away from taking calculated risks. You are at your strategic best, so trust your instincts. Overall well-being, your energy levels are high, but emotional balance is key today. Don't let your passion overwhelm you. Take time to reflect and meditate to keep your mind clear and focused. Advice: embrace the unknown and the mysterious aspects of life, especially in love and career. Trust that your intuitive side will guide you in the right direction. Sagittarius, 22nd October 2024. Love, communication is key in your romantic life today. Be open and honest about your feelings with your partner. If you are single, engaging in conversations about your interests might lead to an exciting connection. Career, collaborating with others will prove beneficial today. You'll thrive in teamwork settings where brainstorming and sharing ideas are encouraged. Your natural enthusiasm will inspire those around you, leading to productive outcomes. Overall well-being, emotional balance is essential today. Take some time for introspection, perhaps through journaling or meditation, to understand your feelings and thoughts better. This practice can help ground you amidst any chaos. Advice: foster open communication in your relationships, both personal and professional. Your ability to connect with others will deepen bonds and create opportunities. Capricorn, 22nd October 2024. Love, emotional depth is essential today. Take time to connect with your partner on a deeper level, share your feelings and aspirations. If single, engage in conversations that reveal your true self to potential romantic interests. Career, collaboration is key at work today. Don't hesitate to ask for help or share ideas with colleagues. Your ability to work well with others will foster a productive environment, leading to successful outcomes. Overall well-being, it's a good day for introspection. Journaling or meditation can help clarify your thoughts and feelings, especially regarding your goals and relationships. Advice: foster deeper connections in your love life and work. Building strong relationships can open doors and create lasting support. Aquarius, 22nd October 2024. Love, emotional connections deepen today. Spend quality time with your partner or reach out to a friend who understands your feelings. If you are single, engaging in heartfelt conversations can lead to meaningful connections. Career, collaboration is essential today. Teamwork will bring forth innovative solutions. Don't shy away from reaching out to colleagues for support. Together, you can achieve more than you could alone. Overall well-being, your mental health is paramount today. Set aside some time for activities that bring you joy, whether it's a hobby or simply unwinding with a good book. Advice: embrace the power of teamwork in your career and nurture your emotional well-being through activities that make you happy. Pisces, 22nd October 2024. Love, romance blooms today. You might find unexpected surprises in your relationship, or a new connection could spark. Be open to spontaneity and let your creativity guide your romantic gestures. Career, collaboration is essential. You may find success through teamwork, so reach out to colleagues for support on projects. Sharing ideas can lead to innovative solutions. Overall well-being, your emotional health is key today. Engage in activities that bring you joy, such as art or music, to help lift your spirits. Advice: allow creativity to flow in your relationships and work, and prioritize your emotional well-being through joyful activities.